Hush, don't speak. When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hit and preach about your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a king. With words mean nothing, I go that loud.